Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's another Temu time. Yes, and I can't wait for this. This is a really special one because this is a Christmas painting, and I was having a browse on there as you do in the evening with a nice cup of tea and a custard cream. And they had some Christmas ones. So these are going to be the Christmas ones for this year. So there's a couple in here, and one of them was a train. And it had been on my wish list on Amazon, but it was so expensive, $16.99 at the time. I mean, obviously Amazon's prices go up and down, but I found this on Temu. Now, unfortunately, they've packed some other stuff in with this, which again is a bit annoying, but what can we do about that? It is what it is. But let's get into here anyway. Got to be careful with this. These are great because what you can do, I feel like a customs officer now. It's really sharp display, but it's just great because I can get into it. Okay, I think we just make an incision through there. Yeah, I've got to be careful because I've got paintings there, you see. So, and there is supposed to be a wire in this. So let's get down here, make an access point like that, and we'll get another access point through here. Oh, I think that'll be okay. But as you can see, we've got a couple of bits in here. Let's get into all the paintings that we've got so far. Hopefully this has come. Oh no, yes. Okay, I say oh no because when I got this previously, this was all burnt. Like all the rubber was mushed. The part here was all bent and had to get replacement. Now I'll get into that a bit later on. We've got two other bits in the box here, so we'll put that over to there for the minute, and my ankle as well. So we'll show them in a bit. There's nothing else in there. Brilliant. Okay, so first painting is this gorgeous. Let's get this again. This is a gorgeous train painting that I got. And I'm really happy with this. As I said, this will be, I was debating whether to open it now or at Christmas, but I thought, well, if I show it now, then if people like it, they can get it early for Christmas, you know, and perhaps start working on it. But I've had this on my wish list with Amazon for so long, and I had to get it. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So this is a 5D diamond paint. Quite interestingly, the symbol code is over here for a change. It's normally printed over there or down to the left side here, but this is gorgeous. It looks like one of the pixelation ones, so this might be the old style. Okay, we can do it, but you can see the Santa's face is pretty much mushed. You can't really see it. This is what we call the old style, so yeah, we'll have to go with the flow. I don't think we can get a clearer one on that, but we'll just have to do it in an old style and hope and pray that it comes out its best. As you can tell in my voice, I'm a little bit disappointed because it's on the old style, but it is basically this lovely train, and then you've got the presents at the back with the Christmas tree, and it's a really lovely little painting, so I'm really happy with this. Lots of colour as well. As I said, it is a shame that it's pixelated, but there's nothing we can do on that. I'm not even sure what that is, whether that's a colour bleed or anything. I'm not sure on that, but this is definitely the old style, but we'll just have to wait and see what we can do on that. So that's that. We'll get to the drills. We've got our standard bow there, and we'll get to the drills here. So as you can see, these are lovely drills. So in here, we're getting a lot of these J symbols, these J ones, that's quite nice. So in here we've got some minty green, some greys. Oh look, several different colours in that one, but it's an orange there. It's lovely sort of chocolate colour, chocolate. Everybody do a chocolate. Have you ever heard that song? Mama see the rolling poly. Everybody wants a chocolate. But anyway, so in here we've got light blue, lovely dark blue there, and this beautiful red. There's a lot of these colours mixed. As you can see, there's some brown in there that aren't supposed to be there. Reds, and a sort of foresty green colour there with a diarrhea sort of looking colour. And then we've got a light blue and a dark blue there, so dark blue and then a lighter blue. Some greys as well. If we get a brown, oh, Hobie. Yes, we'll have to have a look at that, see if that matches Hobie, but I think it's a darker one there. We've got some greys, some blue 10s there, and then a red and that gorgeous sort of cloudy blue there. So that's that one. Let's go to a bangle that I got today, seeing as it's come in the same pack, even though I ordered them separately. This is a bangle that I got, and this says never give up, and I really like the wording on that, so I'm going to wear that right now. So blue's my favourite colour, it goes with the mat, and it says never give up. So not entirely sure what that means, but obviously never give up. You know, if you want to paint and you're persevering and the painting's not going right, never give up. I'm gonna give you up. Now this painting, some of you might have, I don't know if I've shown it on this channel before, but I've always said that I wanted to get another one of these. I think we did do this on the channel. I can't remember. I really can't remember. But looking at this, I reckon it's a pixelation issue again. So yeah, this is a Santa. Now, just bear with me a minute. So, this painting here will look like that. This is what I did last year, and it was an off-camera feature, and as you can see there's some jewels here missing. What I've done with this one is I've cut the border off, and it's basically, I wanted to get one for each room. Now obviously this one still needs a bit of jewels put in where I've lost some, but I can easily match them up with different jewels and that. But I really wanted one for each room at sort of like Christmas time. So in here what we've got is another version, and it looks like this. So, but please, oh yeah, that's a bit, that looks like a clear print to me, yeah. But please, whatever you do, because this is, what I did was I tried to get another one of these to match that colour, and the prints are all different. You can tell from the picture as well, the facial expression is a lot different. You've got much more wider eyes there. So never think that you can get the same painting all the time, because the chances are you're never going to get the same. As you can see, it's a lot more of a, if we just put that there, you can see it's a lot more smaller on the side here, but that's, you know, in the diameter. And that was a 30x40, funny enough, but they've blown it up a bit. But yeah, I wanted to do another one of these, because obviously Christmas is quite good for like diamond paintings and stuff. I think it'd be heavy on the blue. I'm happy with this one, it's not too bad. But obviously if we've had a look at the train again here, you can see it's pretty much merged in with the back of this train here, but it is what it is. It's, you know, it's one of them things. And that's why I tend to do unboxings, because you don't know what it's going to be like until you get it. But this is gorgeous. So I'll be doing this in the December sort of months. I think this is supposed to be some sort of, I don't know really, because obviously if that's going to be a sky, I'm not totally sure what they are. But anyway, this is a 30x40 painting, and we'll put that over to one side. In this bag, we do have baggies, so Tessa, I'll get them out to you. And let me know if you want the squadry, I'll pop that in as well, and I'll send them out to you free of charge. That goes for anyone. Like, if anyone needs spare bags, just get in touch with me at diamondpaintswithmike@gmail.com, and I will get them out to you free of charge, because I don't keep them, and if I can help someone out with them, great. So yeah, and let's get into the jewels here. So this is really lovely, really nice on this, and as you can see, we've got a single pack there, probably your 3865 there, 20, and this is a Z symbol, so it says SH. As you can see in here, we've got some pinks, a gorgeous mauve colour, grey blue I suppose, and then terracotta sort of colour, your 310 probably, some greys. I love the shade there, you've got a light and a dark shade, that's really nice. You've got some orange, Really forestry green, a light sort of pea, garden pea colour there. Really nice colours. You can see the same sort of colours. And reds and blues. And yeah, so that's that one. So really good, as you can see. I actually bought my brother this like 2 years ago, and it's still stuck in the Christmas bag. So yeah, most of the time, but that's what he's like. You buy him stuff and it just gets shoved in the back of the chair, and you know, that's that. Don't really want to do anything. It just shoves it at the side of the chair, and yeah, but that's that. And then obviously this is a USB light. So the idea is, this has come okay actually, because the last one I got, I couldn't believe it. I think it's the heat of the sun. This was all mushed, literally all burnt away, and you can actually flex it. So the idea is that, as you can see, you've got a blue one, a white one, a green one, orange and pink. And you can plug it into all sorts of things. But the idea is for example, if I just get my laptop for the minute, if I was to put that into here, on there, hopefully it'll work. But the idea is, if I can get the, I don't want to go in. What's going on here? Doesn't fit. Oh, I'm trying to put it in the bloody micro SD slot. So as you can see, the idea is I can bend that up, so as or I could put it like that, so as I'm typing away, like doing my emails of an evening, we just turn the light off. I've got like a little light that can stand there in front of me. I can tap away doing all my emails, you know. So it's really bright. It's really bright, as you can see. You can bend it in all sorts of different shapes. I mean, the light is basically so you can see on the keyboard, I assume, because you've got the backlight of the laptop there. But I just thought that was really nice. So let's get the light back on. So, but yeah, it's proper bright, and I thought that was perfect. So, I mean, obviously you could put it in your wall as well. If you've got like a USB slot with a plug on it, you could put it in your wall. It's entirely up to you, whatever you fancy. But I thought that was really good. Really good, because I'm always like, I get so many emails, so of a night time I tend to like have a coffee, lie in my bed, get some emails down. But let me know what one's your favourite. I've got to be honest, I'm a little bit disappointed because obviously it's pixelated, but on the other hand it could come out pretty good. We just don't know, but you can tell that's the old style, and then pixelation is where you can't really see their faces or detail. And then as you can see, this is more of like a more clear print. It's just on the verge of pixelation around the eyes there, but that's the newest style. You can tell that this is quite an old style there. But let me know what one's your favourite. There'll be many more Christmassy ones coming soon. And we'll start this off in December, near the time, because I don't really want to work on Christmas paintings until near the December. Having said that, I did start on a Christmas card a few weeks ago, just while I had some spare time, and yeah, so maybe, I don't know, but as a rule I don't like to start them too early, because you want to have a Christmas activity while you're leading up to the Christmas season, you know, and Christmas Day, so it just gives you something Christmassy to do for Christmas. But anyway, please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified for all the videos I do. And yeah, I'll see you next time. So until then, catch you later.